Well, so a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this really beautiful duvet set to try. This is a 3-piece set, so it comes with the duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. And it is in this really beautiful floral design with these light greens, peaches, sages, and it's a really nice touch if you're really into the floral or cottagecore vibe. The material itself is also really soft. It's made from microfibre, so it is really soft and glides against your skin, so it's really comfortable. It's not itchy, it's really soft and pleasant. The reverse of it also has a really pretty shade of blue as well, which is a really nice touch. The stitching is fantastic on here. It's been put together really, really well. It's a really great quality. It also has a zip on there rather than buttons, which I personally find a little bit fiddly, and it glides really, really nicely. It also has the ties on the inside of the duvet, so you can tie your duvet to the inside of your bedding so it doesn't shift around inside while you sleep. It comes in double, king and super king, so you're going to find perfectly what you need. I personally think this is a really chic, beautiful, aesthetic set. If you're really into that really nice, soft, relaxing bedroom vibe, this is going to be the perfect set. It's soft, it's elegant, it's really well made, and a really fabulous set. Thank you again, team, for very kindly sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it.